Welcome. I'm presenting to you an indicator designed mainly for scalping. It took me a long time to develop the algorithm, and I hope you will like it. Pandora's Chambers, Liquidity Grab Magnet Tool. This indicator is designed to reveal where true liquidity is hiding inside the price structure and how the market interacts with it in real time. Let's walk through how it works. First, the indicator scans a chosen look-back range, for example, the last 200 candles. Inside that range, it finds the highest price, the lowest price, and divides the entire zone into multiple thin price segments, called bins. Each bin represents a small slice of price. Then, the indicator builds two separate liquidity maps. The first map measures sell-side liquidity, based on lower wicks inside bullish candles. Every time price touches a lower wick, that price level gains points. At the same time, the indicator accumulates the trading volume at that exact level. The second map measures buy-side liquidity, based on upper wicks inside bearish candles. Again, every wick touch adds density and volume to that bin. Once this is done, the indicator selects the strongest liquidity levels. At the most touched level below current price becomes the sell-side liquidity level. At the most touched level above current price becomes the buy-side liquidity level. These two levels form the core chamber, the liquidity box. To make it visual, the indicator draws dynamic trailing lines at both levels. If the liquidity level shifts, the line shifts with it, creating a real-time picture of how liquidity moves through price. The area between the two levels is shaded, highlighting the active liquidity zone. Whenever price taps or breaks these levels, the indicator plots a red. One for a sell-side grab and one for a buy-side grab. Next, the tool calculates the total volume accumulated at the exact liquidity bins. This allows you to see not only where liquidity exists, but how strong it is. Once a candle fully confirms, the indicator builds a custom Fibonacci system between the lower and upper liquidity levels. This creates a set of liquidity-based Fibonacci lines to the right of the chart. Each Fibonacci level is colored according to its meaning. A 0 represents sell-side liquidity. A 1 represents buy-side liquidity. At the classic levels, like 0.236, 0.382, 0.618, and 0.786, inherit the colors of their respective sides. At the midpoint, 0.5, is white. The extended snap levels appear in gray. Every fib line gets a label showing its value and the combined volume of that price bin. The labels are fully transparent, so only the colored text floats beside the line, keeping the chart clean and readable. In short, Pandora's Chambers gives you a live liquidity heat map, real-time liquidity levels above and below price, automatic detection of liquidity grabs, a Fibonacci system built directly from liquidity zones, and a clean visual framework that reveals where price is most likely to be drawn next. This is liquidity, visualized, quantified, and brought to the surface.